National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lee Sueur County, northern Blue Earth County, southeastern Nicollet County, until 8 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Crystal, or 8 miles west of Mankato, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Mankato and surrounding towns. Expected hazards include 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mankato around 7:25 p.m. St. Peter, Eagle Lake, and Cossota around 7:35 p.m. Madison Lake around 7:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Cleveland. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central Minnesota. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for south-central Minnesota.